moderator, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning.
Our topic today is, life was not simpler before the advent of technology. Life was complex before the advent of technology, and life became simpler later with the advent of technology. After the advent of technology, life has become more fulfilling. Can you imagine a life without electricity, gas connection and entertainment? I'm sure none of you can even imagine a world without all this. Yes, overall quality of our life has improved and became more simpler with the advent of technology. After Gutenberg invented printing press, dissemination of ideas and information from a single source to a far-ranging audience have become more simpler and easier, and it has become more viable. A number of dramatic technological innovations like internet, mobile phones, YouTube, 4G technologies, WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. have made our life much more easier in terms of knowledge sharing, communication, trade and business. Life has become more easier and simpler after the advent of technology in the field of medicine. Invention of antibiotics, X-ray radiation techniques, pacemakers, insulin, medical equipments, etc. have made the diagnosis and prognosis of diseases much more easier and simpler. Learning and teaching have taken a whole new dimension with the advent of technology. Teachers and students have a pool of endless resources on any subject matter as readily accessible. There is no limit to the knowledge one can attain from internet. All means of transportation depends on technology, whether it is the wheel, the jet engine, or the computer chip. The advances in technology has played a pivotal role in shaping transportation systems, which in turn help to shape our lives, landscapes, and culture. Advent of technology brought new dimensions in globalization and business. It allows humans to collaborate more effectively across the globe. I'm sure each one of the contestants today have Googled their topic and taken a few points, which is very nice. Each one of our lives much easier and simpler today. Today, technology has made life so much simpler that we can enjoy the beauty of life to the fullest. Technology has continued to bring the world closer together and increase the horizons of each individual as never before. Over to you.
Wow.